Today is Friday, July 10th. These are the 1970 Cadillac DeVILLE, 1 year only, translucent backup reverse lenses that are embedded within the rear bumper of the 1970 Cadillac DeVille, DeVille Convertible, and Fleetwood. These units are in beautiful condition, extremely clear. For 50-year-old lenses, they're the best I have in my inventory. And these will be going to my friend Lawrence Levy and Davey. Lawrence has bought from me several times before. And these particular units will be shipping out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. These are embedded within the rear bumper, right up to the edge. So all this area is inside the chrome and unseen. Although they're absolutely beautiful. One minor imperfection up here, but that's not seen, of course, because that's embedded within the rear bumper. And the louvers are beautiful and clearly defined within the acrylic, and the acrylic is substantially clear. I would rate these as a 9, almost show quality. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac. I have over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the WoodGrain InLay, the steering columns, and the power seat mechanisms. Today is Friday, July 10th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.